Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can generate random numbers. So the formula is the following. I'm just going to select the first cell right here, double tap on it so I can type. You want to type equals rand, as in random, between. Now you want to type a bracket, and here is where you add the values. So for example, my bottom value is going to be 1, then you want to write a comma, and let's say 28 should be the top value, and then just close the brackets. So the formula is equals rand between brackets, your first value, your bottom value, comma, and your top value. So now if I press enter, it should give me a random number between 1 and 28. So we got 3. If you want to do this for multiple cells, all you have to do is just scroll this down like so. Just press left click on it and drag it down, and here I should get 7 random numbers between 1 and 28. Okay, so that's how it works. Leave a like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.